sunrise, lay my shirt on, kiss my face. You pray blessings for my journey, say come home safe, my brave. You write little notes in my pocket, my king, my treasure, my gift. Every small thing that you do give me spirit. I lift my sweetheart, let me give you a sweet deep kiss. For every little way you show me love like this, every kind word, every gentle touch, you say I am enough. My sweetheart, let me hold you in my arms tonight. Serve you, spoil you, treat you more than right. Let me lips tell the story of how I feel like this. My sweetheart, let me give a sweet deep kiss. You love when we drive out country, bare feet by the riverside. Share one plate, wipe my mouth, you laugh until you cry, yeah. You save up to buy me that cologne, you know I always did wish. You say, baby, you deserve the finest, then you seal it with a kiss. My sweetheart, let me give you a sweet deep kiss. For every sacrifice you make, every risk, every long day you still smile so bright. You turn me wrong into right. My sweetheart, let me hold you in my arms tonight. Cook for you, draw your bath just right. Let me hands write the story on your back like this. My sweetheart, let me give you sweet deep kiss. You are my words of blessing, you are my helping hand, you are my favorite present, you are my promised land, you are my Sunday evening, slow walking, talking low, you are my safe, soft pillow, where my weary heart can go. My sweetheart, let me give you a sweet deep kiss. For everywhere you make my whole like this, every sweet time we just sit and talk, every slow midnight walk. My sweetheart, let me hold you in my arms tonight. Rock you, rub you, keep your held so tight. Let my soul press a promise on your lips like this. My